In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set limits on your Trello lists. We'll do this by using Trello's built-in automation to keep your lists focused and under control so work doesn't pile up and become unmanageable. Start by opening Trello and heading to your boards page. Choose the board where you want to keep a tighter rein on work in progress. In the top right corner of the board, click Automation, then select Rules. This opens Trello's Butler interface, which lets you create simple, reliable logic to guide how cards move and how your team works. Click Create Automation to start a new rule. We'll begin by defining when this rule should run. Click Add Trigger, choose the option for when a card is added to list, and then pick the list you want to protect from overload, such as a high focus in progress list. This trigger tells Trello to act the moment a new card lands there, which is essential for keeping that list within your intended limits. Next, add what should happen in response. Click the plus sign to add an action. Select Move the card to the top of list and choose the list that should receive those incoming cards, like an inbox or triage list. Moving the card to the top ensures it's immediately visible for review so your team can decide what truly deserves to enter the limited list and when. You'll see another plus sign available in case you want to chain more actions later, but for this foundational limit pattern, we'll keep it straightforward. Now, click Save to turn the rule on. Here's what you've accomplished. By redirecting cards the instant they appear in a sensitive list, you prevent that list from quietly accumulating work. Instead, everything flows to a designated intake list where items can be assessed, prioritized, or scheduled. This makes the limited list feel calm, focused, and intentional, which is the whole point of setting limits. A few tips to keep this smooth. Give your rule a clear name so teammates understand its purpose at a glance. Make sure you have the necessary board permissions, and remember that automation usage varies by Trello plan. Keep your destination list consistent so everyone knows where new items go, and let your team know about this rule so no one is surprised when cards move automatically. That's it. With a simple trigger and a single action, you've created a practical guardrail that helps you enforce limits and protect your team's focus.